Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is DANISH AZMAN. The document review that I have watched is the internet romance scam. Okay, the internet scam. The publish the publisher is KEO firm. The date this document released is to 29 July 2011, and the review rating is 6/10. Okay, for abstract. Next is abstract. Uh, as a result of internet technology, transaction processing has undergone remarkable change on the positive side. E-commerce, M-commerce, and L-commerce have become a reality in electronic marketplace. However, one of undesirable outcomes of the internet is its use for criminal acts, especially the variable examined included the category of online fraud payment method used for committing those frauds, and the effect victims and trends any. So the result of this document document review should be of interest to all types of individuals involved in law enforcement and information system security designer, and especially consumer of online system. Okay, next is issue pertaining of the movie. 2,000, 200,000 victims of what known as romance fraud every single year. So together, the victims are defrauded of an estimated 100 million pounds or dollar annually. This documentary will have a special investigation into the problem and will reveal how undercover officers from Finnish agencies were able to trace one particularly prolific scammer. Okay, start up plot. The scammer was coldly targeting lonely ladies. Start paying their attention and make their think you are the Queen of England for beginning. To to end is all to do across West Africa. And young men are going to extraordinary lengths to get hold of their cash. They are willing to exploit anyone, the vulnerable, the ill, the lonely. Uh, Caroline met Richard, who said he was a Polish builder from London, where we were in touch all the time, but although romance blossomed, they never meet face to face. Okay, the right issue is Richard and Richard announced that he was taking a new job in Ghana. The next message was from abroad. He he'd gone from Ghana. So Richard go in touch with an investment offer which he promised would transform Caroline's life. He wanted to some 30,000 to start off with her, which he told Caroline she would double her money and ask for another 40,000 pounds or dollar, but then there was a crisis. Caroline got a call telling that he had been arrested, so she sent more money and even flew out to Ghana. Okay, next is climax. Caroline has been scammed for over 150,000 pounds. and Richard has never existed, and Caroline life savings have been pocketed by a fraud. Still, it taking my retirement, and I still have to work, and it devastated me in many ways, said Caroline. This activity schema related with chapter 5, which is electronic banking. Next, we will move opinion. Uh, Based on our opinion, we should not send money or gift to a sweetheart if haven't met in person. If you pay a romance scammer with a gift card, contract the company that issue the card right away. So tell them you pay a scammer with the gift card and ask if they can refund your money. Okay, then we should also be suspicious if the language used looks like it been put through a translation program or it plan meeting fall through and are then follow the requires for money. Besides taking their victim money, launderers by using their bank account to transfer from abroad. Again, a, seem, a seeming plausible reason is given, combined with love sickness. This can mean serious trouble for the victim that they can be punishable by law for the use of their account for money laundering. Okay, the next is recommendation. eCrypt. Malaysia should upgrade the eCrypt because eCrypt security measure is different in identity management in the sense that it's never record the image or template of signature. This means that there is nothing to steal or copy. It is possible by recording the dynamic biometric component of signature, pressure, and speed. It is impossible for someone else to recreate dynamic biometric. It doesn't matter how much time they have, the key crypted signature cannot be full as it has been tried and proved the patented solution is 100%. Next is Malaysia should install uh, Malaysia should upgrade uh, multi-factor authentication because it is providing a token for online business, banking customer for cash management system. Here, if a customer requested to transaction that is unusual high risk, the electronic banking system will change the person with more additional questions that were asked at the time of account opening. Okay, then Malaysia should install spyware protection because to help protect one computer from spyware and anti-spyware program can be used. A program called Windows Divider, a version of Windows have built-in anti-spyware which can be turned on by default. This program alerts you when spyware try installation by itself in the computer. It can also scan the computer for existing virus spyware and remove it. Next is conclusion. Conclusion, there are those today that are willing to do anything to earn money and to get rich in the easy way. So may feel so desperate to get a job or to be loved by somebody, but caution is still necessary to prevent us from falling into the fraudsters' hands. Always be careful when it comes to online job or online dating. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you.